Another article which we are going to learn, that is the well or wall of death, that is मौत का कुआं. Well or wall of death. It is in Marathi. It is called मौत का कुआं. You have seen in circus this fact. A motorcyclist or a rider, he is performing circular motion in the well, and from this article a question can be asked like this: explain. Well or wall of death. In other words, the same question will be asked like this: or obtain an expression for minimum velocity for a vehicle driven in a well or wall of death. So these are the possible questions, and these articles that will be asked for 2 marks. Earlier article and this article that can be asked for 2 marks. To answer this, let us draw this diagram. This is well. Try to understand this diagram. See here, this is the way. Actually, you have seen in the circus. A motorcyclist or a motor rider or even car rider, he is going to drive his vehicle so that it attains the maximum speed. When he is going to attain the maximum speed, that time ultimately his vehicle start revolving at a certain height. Some of these riders, they used to come at this top position also. Very fantastic thing is that what happens, that rider, he is revolving in this well, that time he is going to snatch up some rupees from the people. People are offering some rupees. They are putting their hands in the well, and this rider, along with his motion, he is snatching these rupees. This is very funny and a very wonderful event. Anyway, consider a rider moving in a well along with his vehicle at a certain position. Suppose this is certain position O. At this position, the forces acting on this vehicle are forces acting on vehicle are A. weight of vehicle in a vertically downward direction, that is mg. Next, the coefficient of friction or frictional force in a vertically upward direction, that is Fs. Now from this figure, it is observed that these two vectors, they are balanced. Now a third vector which is directed towards the center of this well, that is the normal reaction. Normal reaction in horizontal direction. Now from figure we write see here, these two vectors, they are getting balanced, and therefore we write that is the vector which represents the frictional force Fs equal to mg. Suppose this is equation 1. Another force, another vector, that is the normal reaction, it balances the centripetal force, and therefore we write this m equal to mv square by r. This is equation number 2. My dear, when this vehicle it is revolving, that time it is revolving at a certain height. It is not getting slid down. Why it is not getting slid down? Because there is a friction between the tires of the vehicle and the surface of the well, and therefore what is going to happen? This slipping up down, it is balanced by this frictional force, and therefore we write this frictional force is less than or equal to, we have frictional force is less than equal to mu s into n. Frictional force is less than mu s into s, n. Mu s, it is the coefficient of static friction. Now let us put the values from equation 1 and 2. From equations 1 and 2. Put the values from equation 1 and 2 in this equation number 3. Suppose this is equation number 3. Fs equal to mg less or equal to mu s as it is, m is mv square by r. This m and m is getting cancelled. M and m it is cancelled, and we get from this v square by r is greater or equal to g, or in other words we write this v square is greater than r into g. Taking square root we write this, I write v square equal to rg. Taking a square root we write v minimum equal to square root of rg. Of course, this is mu s into n. N is Rg upon mu. And therefore, this V minimum equal to square root of Rg upon mu or mu s. And this is the expression for minimum velocity. Here we have said, obtain an expression for minimum velocity for a vehicle given in a well or wall of date. That is, V minimum equal to square root of Rg upon mu s. This is the expression. Again in this case, the term small m, it is ascent, and that's why we can say that the minimum velocity of a vehicle in a well or wall of a depth is independent of mass of the vehicle. It means even if that vehicle it is moving in a well or wall of depth, the mass do not affect its velocity. Mass do not affect its velocity.